Question number 5. The polynomial p of x is defined by p of x is equal to ax to the power of 4 plus bx cubed plus 13x square minus 35x plus 15. Where a and b are the constant, it is given that the 2x minus 1 and x minus 3 are the factor of p of x. Find the value of a and b. We need to find the value of a and b. We know that if x minus a is factor of p of x, then p of a is equal to 0. If you equate factor with 0 and find the value of x, like x minus a equal to 0 and x equal to e, and this value will satisfy the polynomial. So first we plug given factor. Okay, first factor is 2x minus 1, which is equal to 0. We will equate it and find the value of x. X is equal to 1 over 2. Now plug this value of x in the given polynomial. So p of x means p of 1 over 2 is equal to a. X to the power of 4 means 1 over 2 to the power of 4 plus b. X cube means 1 over 2 to the power of cube plus 13 x square means 1 over 2 square minus 35 x means 1 over 2 plus 15. And this one is equals to 0. Okay, further solving we will have a 1 over 2 to the power of 4 is 16, 1 over 16 plus b 1 over 2 cube is 1 over 8 plus 13 over 4, 35 over 2 plus 15 is equals to 0. So we have a over 16 plus b over 8, and this one is equals to the 4, and 13 minus 35 times 2, which is 70, and 15 times 4 is 60. And this one is equals to the a over 16 plus b over 8 and positive 3 over 4 equal to 0. This implies that the a over 16 plus b over 8 is equal to negative 3 over 4. Okay, we can solve it further. We will have 16 LCM and a plus 2b equals to negative 3 over 4, and this one will be 4. So we will have equation a plus 2b equals to negative 12. So we have to find out the first equation by using the first factor. Now we will use second factor, which is x minus 3 equal to 0. So x minus 3 equal to 0. So here x is 3, which will also satisfy the polynomial equation. So p of 3 is equals to 0. So we plug x is equal to 3 in given polynomial equation. We will have a 3 to the power of 4 plus b 3 to the power of cube plus 13 3 square 35 3 times 3 plus 15 equal to 0. Okay, when we solve it, we will have 81a plus 27b and 13 times 3 square, which is equals to the 117 and minus 105 plus 15 equal to 0. Okay, so we will have 81a plus 27b and plus 27 equal to 0. Okay, we take 27 common. We will have 3a plus b plus 1 equal to 0, and we will have this equation 3a plus b plus 1 equal to 0. We have two equations and two variables. We need to find the value of a and b. So we will solve them simultaneously to find the value of a and b. So first we find b here is equals to negative minus 3a. When we plug this value of b in equation 1, we will have a plus 2b means 2 times negative 1 minus 3a equals to negative 12. Okay, when we solve it, we will have a minus 2 minus 6a equals to negative 12, and a minus 2 6 is 5a negative, and when we switch negative 2 on the right side, we will have negative 10. So in this case, a is equals to 2. Now plug this value of a in this equation, we will have value of b. So b is negative 1 minus 3a means 2, and this one is negative 1 minus 6, so b is equals to negative 7. So we have calculated the value of a and b. Now we plug this a and b in given polynomial to find the exact polynomial. So p of x is equals to a is 2, so 2x to the power of 4 plus b, which is negative 7x cube, negative 7x cube plus 13x square minus 35, 13x square minus 35x plus 15. So given polynomial is 2x to the power of 4 minus 7x cube plus 13x minus 35x plus 15. Okay, let's move to the part B. Once factorize p of x. Okay, p of x, we has just calculated the p of x and we have the two factor of p of x, which is 2x minus 1 and x minus 3. And we know that this is a polynomial of order 4, so we will have two linear factor or a one quadratic factor. So we can say that is unknown factor. So when we divide p of x with these two factors, we will get unknown factor, and p of x is we have just calculated, so we multiply this one, so we have 2x square minus 6x minus x plus 3, and this one is unknown factor. So we can say that unknown factor is p of x divided by this quadratic equation, which is 2x square minus 7x plus 3. Okay, divide p of x with this quadratic equation, so we have p of x, which is p of x is 2x square minus 7x cube, sorry, 2x to the power of 4 plus 13x square minus 35x plus 15. Okay, and we divide it by 2x square minus 7x plus 3. Now, okay, we need 2x to the power of 4 and we have 2x square. So when we multiply with x square, we will have 2x to the power of 4 and minus 7x times x square, which is negative 7x cube, and plus 3 times x square is plus 3x square. Subtracting, we will have this one cancel, and we will have 10x square. Okay, and this one is 35x square plus 5, 15. Now, when we multiply 2x square with 5, we will have 10x, so plus 5, we will have 10x square, and negative 7x times 5, which is negative 35x, and plus 3 times 5 is 15. Subtracting, we will have 0. Now, unknown factor is x square plus 5. Okay, so p of x, factorized form of p of x is 2x minus 1, which was given, and x minus 3, which was also given. And we have just calculated another factor, which is quadratic factor, and which is x square plus 5. So we have factorized the p of x. Now let's move to the part C. Find the least positive value of theta in radians such that p of cot of 2 theta is 0. Okay, we know that p of x is 2x minus 1 and x minus 3 and x square plus 5. This is the factorized form of p of x. Okay, just plug x is equal to cot 2 theta. So p of cot 2 theta is equal to 0. So this will factorized form will become 2 times cot 2 theta minus 1, first factor. Okay, the second factor, when we plug cot 2 theta in second factor, we will have cot 2 theta minus 3. X square means cot square 2 theta plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, we have three factor which is equating to 0, and we need to find the theta. So we will equate each factor with 0. So 2 cot 2 theta minus 1 equal to 0. Second factor is cot 2 theta minus 3 equal to 0, and quadratic factor is cot square 2 theta plus 5 equal to 0. Now, when we switch -1 on the right side, we will have cot 2 theta is equal to 1, and 2 is multiple, so it will be divided here. Okay, we know that cot theta is equals to 1 over tangent theta. So this one can be written as 1 over tangent 2 theta is equal to 1 over 2, and tangent 2 theta is equals to 2, and 2 theta is equals to tangent inverse of 2. And this one is equals to the 2 theta. When we use calculator, we will have value of 1.1071, and theta will be equals to 0.55. Okay. On the other side, when we solve second factor, we will have cot 2 theta is equals to 3, and we will have 1 over tangent 2 theta is equals to 3, and tangent 2 theta is equals to 1 over 3, and 2 theta is equals to tangent inverse of 1 over 3, and 2 theta will be, when we use calculator, we will have 0.3217, and theta will be equals to 0.162. On the other side, when we solve it, cot square 2 theta is equals to -5, and square root both sides, we will have cot 2 theta equals to negative 5, and this will imaginary value, and we will not find any real value in this case, so we discard it, or we can say that not applicable. Now we have 2 theta, and question says that we need to find the least positive value. So in this case, 0.162 is less than 0.55, so we can say that theta is 0.162.